View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome, dear home enthusiast. Let me take you on a virtual tour of this charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom bungalow, a hidden gem nestled on a generous 201 feet of water frontage along the picturesque and serene North Branch Becaguemic stream. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the meticulous attention to detail that went into the comprehensive transformation of this home in 2008. Every element, from the new drywall, insulation, electrical, plumbing, windows, floors, bathroom, kitchen, siding, to the trim, was carefully considered to ensure your comfort year-round. Imagine entertaining your guests in the open-concept kitchen/living room, the heart of this home. Picture those cozy nights by the woodstove, the warmth and crackling sounds adding to the homely ambience. Now, let's step into the screened-in porch, an ideal spot for your morning coffees or late-night chats. The primary bedroom, boasting a convenient door connecting to the bathroom, enhances functionality and ease, ensuring a seamless living experience. Outside, a double-car detached garage, wired for your convenience, offers a stunning view of the tranquil stream. For outdoor enthusiasts, this property is a haven, offering excellent opportunities for hunting and fishing right at your doorstep. Situated approximately 20 minutes away from Hartland, embrace the cozy ambience as you burn only 3 cords of wood per year, with the power bill in winter never exceeding $100 Canadian. The septic field was replaced in 2005, ensuring reliable waste management. And yes, it's wired for a generator. Don't miss your chance to own this waterfront oasis that combines comfort, functionality, and natural beauty in one perfect package. All this can be yours for $324,900 Canadian by the time of recording this video. Welcome home. If you would like to know more about this home, please click on the link which will direct you to the Zillow site.